Hello everyone. So a much better day in the market today than yesterday and Friday. So Friday I took a big loss, wiped out 40% of June's profits or something ridiculous. And then the next day I made up for it and then some. And then yesterday I lost another 1,300 bucks. So it's been a little crazy, and that's because I've been letting my emotions get to me, and that is by far the hardest part for me, at least, and I would suspect a lot of people with trading. So reading charts, pressing buttons, pressing buy, pressing sell is pretty easy, but it's the regulation of your emotions and not letting it cloud your actual logical plan and judgment on when to get in and out of a stock. That is what's difficult. So I'm happy that I did that today. Now I did use 2,000 shares on a stock that was $1.65 was my average entry. I don't feel too bad about that. I know yesterday I said I would use 500 shares to get me back on track, but I knew if I just focused, reset myself, and just really hammered home my discipline that I've been doing this whole month and all of last month, that I would be okay if I just didn't get scared of my setup and just followed my strategy and went for my setups, because my setups are really strong, and we know from my profits and what I've made recently that my setups work when I actually follow my plan. So I have a lot to go over today, so hopefully you guys will stay tuned, and hopefully you enjoy this video. So let's go over those trades right now. Hey everyone, so how's it going? Like I said, today was much better. Today I didn't make as many dumb decisions. I really only made one dumb decision here, and it was on ATOS. Now, I actually recorded today too, so I can show you the trade. But I saw this poking up here on low volume, and I got in, and I knew that it wasn't a good entry, so I took the loss fairly quickly on a starter position. And I can actually scroll down now because I didn't take that many trades today, so I don't have to scroll forever to get to the top and bottom. Whereas yesterday I would scroll and it would be like a tenth of the trades. Anyways, ATOS, first trade, it was only a starter position of 500 shares and then added to 600. And then I realized I was wrong and I just got out. So I said, okay, that was dumb, but I'll make up for it. So that was that. Let's watch the live video for today. Now, I was trading with actually someone who comments on the channel a lot. We both traded together today, so there's kind of a dual commentary, and there's a lot of talking. So what I think I'll do instead is I'll commentate over everything past the pre-market. So I'll just start the video and you'll see what I mean in a second. So let me, hold on, stop that music and we'll start this video here. Before the market. Hey everyone, a quick recap before the market opens. A little more excited today, a little more confident for the market. I'm watching ATOS. Can't really see the daily chart here, it kind of sucks, but it's in the right price range and it has a low float for traders, and just some okay news, I guess. CLBS is the leading gapper over 1150. It looks all right, and also my favorite one is AETI. So 15 or 10 seconds to the bell. I'm not sure what I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna watch ATOS and buy it over $3. Except there's a massive seller, so I'm gonna switch to CLBS. Buy it over 1150.
Is it?
Oh.
I'm in.
Order partially filled.
I am in.
Order filled.
Ooh.
Order filled.
500 shares left. Realized 100 bucks.
At 2.3?
2.29.
I don't even see it.
Order partially
Yes.
filled.
Hit the bid.
100 shares left.
Order
I'm all
filled.
out.
Where'd you get in at?
210 or 215?
210.
215.
Where'd you get out?
229, 226.
Nice.
150 realized.
How many shares do you use? 500? 600?
1400.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna turn on my webcam and stuff again and just explain what happened here because the commentary is too much. We're talking about other stuff and that, so I'll just tell you what happened. So I see this massive bid here on ATOS, and I think it's gonna push up through 310. So my plan was to get in just under $3 and sell through the push of $3 and 310. So the volume didn't actually end up coming in. This was the trade I said I knew was a little silly, potentially, so I ended up, as it came back down here, to this guy, which was my stop loss, was this big seller, or this big buyer here on the bid. It eventually came back down, and when it came back down, I sold into him. And then it ended up breaking through, so that's fine. And in the meantime, I missed a really good setup on AETI. You can see here the 5-minute. I wanted to get in for that. I would have been in maybe at 127 or so, right in here. And then that would have been an awesome trade. But I missed it, so I didn't want to push my luck. So I bought in AETI here as I saw the momentum coming in, and I thought this was going to be the one in play. And as we broke through the daily resistance here at 157, I was going to sell through the push towards high of day. So that's the plan. Where's the actual trade here? So I was in, and then I was in here. Actually, let me back this up. I'll show you. So I was in. This is what I was talking about in the intro. I was in a little bit early. It sold off into support. So here I was down $160 or so unrealized. And while I shouldn't have, I thought that it would break through sooner on higher volume, because you saw here the volume really picked up, but then it really sold off. So we just needed some more consolidation, and it was riding this moving average on the 1 minute, so I wasn't too concerned. And sure enough, it eventually breaks through towards 167, and I'm selling on the way up, realizing a profit of $98. I take another quick trade and bring it up to 103, and then that was a really good 1 minute setup here. Unfortunately, I missed it, and as it broke through high day again, you can see the amount of buyers that came in because they saw how strong that setup is, especially over this daily resistance of 167 that's on this chart. So another great opportunity that I just missed, and I didn't want to push my luck today. I took another trade on it here, and I just lost like a couple dollars. And then that was it, really. I had, what is it? I had 3 trades today. ARDM, did I show that one? Sorry, let me just look quickly. Yeah, I showed ARDM and AETI and the loss here of ATOS. So if I look at my profits for today, 193, and that's 257 Canadian. I traded AETI, ARDM, and ATOS. Great trading today. Bounced back quickly. In terms of discipline, not profits. So I don't really care that I made a decent amount of money. I care that I bounced back and I followed my plan. Now, if I had followed my plan even more, so left money on the table because of fear of losing profits on the day. So I didn't want to go red again on today. I really needed a green day for my confidence, so that's why I was hesitant on that 1 minute setup that looked really good that I showed you here on AETI, wherever it was. I showed you rates here. This 1 minute setup, that was really, really good, but I was just kind of scared, so I didn't take it. I can't really complain, but you know, finishing the day up $250 in about an hour of trading. Can't complain. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please, 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 if you like these videos, subscribe to me. I'm trying to get to 250 subscribers. where I'm going to do a giveaway of Bitcoin. So please smash that subscribe button, and when we're there, I will give it away, I think, in the comments of that video or something like that. So please help me get there. That's all I ask. And please, if you have any questions, comments, just leave them, and I answer every single one of them. So with that, I'm glad my confidence is kind of getting back there. And we will see you tomorrow. Hopefully I can finish the week strong. So I've kind of grayed these out. I don't want to look at them right now. The numbers are still there, of course. And it's calculated here at the bottom. But I don't want to have that affect me, so I fill it with a color that I can't see. So the month looks great when I do that. So anyways, I'll stop rambling. You guys have a great day.